Donatus. Power and glory, Lord, together. To what do I owe this first? This is the last warning. Your ritual sacrifices overdue. Failure to comply. You must die. You shall die, Donatus. Lord. Albino number one. I can't see for one. Because Alabama Shanga. Because what's up?
I'm good. And you?
I'm okay.
I came to your house yesterday. You're not around.
Oh yeah, I went to see one of my girlfriends. Yes.
One of you.
Exactly.
When are you going to concentrate on one?
Look at me.
I have the love of my life here. When are you going to this? You here, you there. I don't think it's good.
By very soon, but I have to enjoy myself first. Eh?
Are you sure these girls won't kill you?
Kill me?
Or you will kill them?
They can't kill me, not I'll kill them.
Oh,
So what's up?
Check this out.
Oh my God. This is good.
Good, right?
Man, I'm jealous.
Please let me have that.
I'm jealous.
Don't worry, as soon as I'm done with this one, you are next.
Oh my God! You can say that again, my nigga. You know what?
What?
There's one joint I saw on my way coming to this place.
A new joint?
Very nice joint, huh? They have Kobe. They have pepper soup.
They haven't Kobe.
I swear, they have bush meat.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm talking about. I know you love Kobe. So let's go there. Let me get you a plate of Kobe. I know you will like it.
Serious? Then this can wait.
You know what I'm saying? I know you love Kobe.
I don't joke.
But you have to be coming. I go to Kwakinalua. The way you're rushing. Come on.
Obroni. One day.
Children throwing stones on my roof. The very day I will catch them. Not even their parents will like what I will do to them. Nkem? Nkem? Nkem?
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa.
I'm going for a meeting at the West Palace. Cabinet meeting.
Okay, Papa.
Make sure you carry out all my instructions.
I will.
No going out. Have I made myself clear?
Oh, yes.
I said no going out.
Yes, Papa.
I said no going out.
I heard.
Okay.
This is so beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. Thank you, babe.
I made it specially for you.
Oh, you are the best.
And you are my world. I'll do anything for you. Anything.
I love you.
I love you too. That reminds me. Why don't we just go to your pepper soup joint so that we can have...
Right? You know what? This portrait
Yes?
is actually what?
Celebrating.
Oh, you know what I wanted to say? Oh, I am just going to hang this on my wall. No.
Uh-oh.
Papa, he's going to know it came from you.
My love. Even if you don't hang it on your wall, bear it in your heart, my love.
Your way with words is so angelic.
And that is because you, my love, is an angel.
I love you.
I love you too. Yo pepper soup joint.
Right?
Right.
Oh, here we go.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond, we are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say, and no matter how they fight us, I will keep on loving you. You are my one and only. Oh, I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond, we are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love.
You deaf? You deaf? My love. What are you doing with this miscreant? Where is he taking you to? And why is he holding you like that?
Donatus or whatever you call yourself. I might be rigid, a miscreant, but I'm definitely not an intruder like you.
My friend, are you stupid?
I am not afraid of you. Neither am I afraid of your police escort.
My friend, are you stupid? How dare you talk back at me? Arab money! Without fear!
Are you done?
You want to know what I can do? Officer, bundle this guy into the boot. Now! Bundle him! What nonsense!
Don't give this boy the credit. He's not worth the stress. Just let the poor boy be. Come on, you don't need to give him attention. Chill, officer. Let the boy be.
Please.
My love. I'm letting this pass because of you.
Thank you.
The next time I see this miscreant around you, I'll kill him. Let's go.
But money not be everything. Cause money cannot buy true love. So no matter what you try, what you do, true love is priceless. Joy, money cannot buy true love. Even if you get the money, you get the power, you cannot buy true love. You cannot make it work out. Oh, love is a priceless jewel that nobody can buy. Love doesn't cost anything. Cause money cannot buy true love. So no matter what you try, what you do, true love is priceless. Joy, money cannot buy true love. Arab money. When I walk up and Arab
Marcy, what is going on? What is going on?
What have I done?
Why would you choose to disappoint me like this? Why?
Ogo, I don't understand you.
Marcy, what was that village useless miscreant Obina doing with my love and Kem?
No. No, but I told you that they parted ways.
Parted? I just saw them together, holding hands. And that useless boy had the guts to talk back at me. Arab money.
Do you know what you are saying?
Do I look like I'm joking? Marcy, what have I not done for you to make sure you get rid of that boy? Is it money? What? Listen, I expect you to make things right. Put things together. Put things together, Marcy. I will not repeat myself again.
Why would you disappoint me always? Please, Ogo, please forgive and forget. It will never happen again. Please. Yeah, I promise you. Ogo. Why won't this girl stay one place? To God, I will deal with her if I miss this opportunity.
I came back here because of the respect I have for you and the love I have for your daughter. Get rid of that boy. Do you know how many women who were lusting after me? Yet I chose your daughter. Of course, Mazi, you know how much I've invested in you. So much in you. I want you to do the right thing.
Uncle, believe me, this time I will not fail you again. You see, after you talked to me on the road, I came back here. I wasn't myself. That's why I brought this machete. Even if it is to kill him, cut off his head, I will do that. Please, just believe me. I won't fail you this time.
It's all right then. Yeah. This money is to facilitate whatever plans you have to get rid of that boy. You must get rid of that boy. I don't want him on the way again. Have I made myself clear?
Okay. Can you argue? If I don't kill that boy, don't call me a human being.
I'll take my...
But money not be everything. This money cannot buy true love.
If I don't kill that boy.
So no matter what you
Hi!
do,
When you go there, beat him well. Beat him well.
As long as we don't get to business. Because what is our problem? Mazi, see, that guy is a bastard. Once you get there, my name na Merciless Mercy. If you get there, I got for there. We'll deal with him. Yes, don't have problem at all.
Nanya, Mercy. Irueba, Meloyaro.
Go.
It must end today.
Fine. Okay, don't worry.
I'm getting this one wrong.
That guy is a bastard.
Obi.
Yes, love.
You are a man. You are really a strong man. I love the way you give it to him hot. He thinks money is everything.
Well, now he knows his place. I'm sure he won't come anywhere close to you again.
Of course.
Honestly, Open, for a second I thought you were going to leave me. Well, maybe because I'm poor.
Obi. You know I would never do that. Because I love you so much. You're more than enough for me.
Oh, I'm so emotional right now.
I want to beat him. Mercy.
Papa.
Yeah? Follow me.
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Can
you imagine this nonsense? Somebody is trying to give you a better picture. You are following that idiot. Follow me, idiot.
Papa, I'm not a child. This is not fair. See the way you're dragging me on the street.
Follow me. When I'm talking, you have the guts to talk that nonsense when I'm talking. You are running. No problem, no. I'll come.
I'm not going to marry him. You like kill me in this house. because there's nothing that will make me to marry that man.
Afana.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sorry, don't be offended, please. Do you see Obinna, my friend?
No. I've not seen him for the past 2 days now. I've not. Maybe he's sick or something. Have you called to check on him?
It's okay, alright. I'll see you later.
I often wonder what life would have been without you, Obim. You are my strength. You are my joy, my heart and soul are bonded with yours.
Even if I am the poorest man, it has nothing to boast of. Having you makes me feel like I have all the treasures of the earth. Your eyes, it's like the moon that lightens my dark moments. And your smile, like a lamp of hope that gives light to my path. If you were a song, I'll sing you till eternity. I love you.
Oh, babe.
Yes, my love.
Promise me that nothing will ever come between us.
As long as the sun gives way for the moon, my heart will always come for you. If there's a million life, it will always be with you. I love you.
I love you more.
Together.
Forever.
No. Oh my
How am I expected to leave him after everything he's done for me? After everything he's gone through because of me? No. No.
You, my friend, put this thing down. So you ask me, you use your mouth to insult me publicly. I know you did it because of that useless boy, Obina. But you know what? You insulted me because I asked you out. You are going to pay for that. Now. And here.
Uche. See me. I do not have your time. With this mob on your head, like mobbing stick, I do not have your time.
I'm going to use my mob.
Please.
For you today.
I don't have your time.
I'm talking to you, you are moving.
Hey! Uche! Hey!
What?
Uche!
Leave him!
What happened? Is he dead?
Okay, this is it, right? You didn't do it, I did it.
No, I did it.
No, it's not you. It's not you. No, it's not you. Let's not argue, okay? You didn't do it, right?
No, I did. I killed him.
Look at them there. They are the ones. Yes. Officer, look at them.
No.
They are the ones that
No. Look at what. Look at what happened. It was an accident. It was. I did not. She didn't. I did it.
It was you.
Yes.
And you haven't got to say it to my face. You killed my son. You.
No, it was an accident.
Shut up.
Young man,
Sir.
you are under arrest for the murder of Mr. Uchenna Udoka. You have every right to remain silent because whatever you say or do will be used against you in court of law.
Sarge.
Take him away.
Hey, move.
It was a mistake.
Take him away.
It was a mistake.
No, please.
It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was an accident.
You were there when he killed my son. They are telling me it's an accident.
It was an accident. Please, sir.
What accident are you talking about? Tell him you killed my son.
Move. You can't. It was an accident. It was an accident. You can't.
This is my judgment. Having cross-examined the submissions of the prosecuting counsel and the defense counsel, I hereby found the accused guilty as charged, and he is hereby sentenced to 21 years imprisonment.
Candelim. It's okay. It's okay. You can't continue like this all day long. Eh? Must you kill yourself because of him?
Papa, do you understand the great sacrifice he made for me? Do you?
I do, but you can't continue like this. You must not remain like this forever.
Just hear yourself. It is so easy for you to say, what if I am the one in that situation? What if, Papa?
You see, God used him to save you.
Papa, no, don't go there. Don't even bring God into this, Papa. You know what? You have no conscience. You were just so wicked. And even talk to me. You have no conscience. You have no conscience, Papa. You're wicked.
Make sure my dinner is ready by the time I come back. My dinner, I don't want excuses.
Obinna. Obinna!
Obinna! What happened?
Obinna, is this you?
Obinna!
It's a lie. It's a lie.
So after my case was revealed, with further investigations, they discovered that I acted on self-defense. And then I was given clemency by the new government. That's how I got out.
God, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, babe. I never thought I would see you again.
I'd always known I'll see you again. The thought of you kept me alive.
I am not going to leave him. There is no way I will lead him. Papa, this is the height of wickedness. And I won't succumb. I will not leave.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. If when the world is saying, oh, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond, we are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling.
I had everything. Oh yes. If you like, cry. After crying, you sing. Continue. Sing like Onyeka. There is honor again. Or even you can sing like Celine Dion, Beyonce. It's none of my business. You must remain here. No food, no water, until you denounce that devilish love affair you have with that pooper, that idiot Obinna. Oh. You don't want to denounce it. You don't want to denounce it. You are showing me muscle, power. No problem. When hunger comes, you will sing the race song. You will give it high octave. No problem.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even though you say no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond, we are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we'll be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we'll stick together. Nothing can stop this love.
Bye-bye.
Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say.
Bye-bye.
And no matter how they fight us, I will keep you.
Bye-bye.
You
Bye-bye.
are not late. Oh, I often wonder what this life.
What's wrong with you? What happened? Who did this to you? It's Nkem's father. What? Nkem's father?
Okaga. Okabuchionye.
Eche brother.
How are you doing, my in-law?
Yeah, all is good. All is good. So what is good? You have good news for me? Did you succeed?
I told you you have no problem. She is now yours. And I dealt with that useless boy.
Ah! Money talks, bullshit works. Now that is magic. You see, I'll tell you that. Well, thank you so much for your good job.
Ezioku, you have no problem at all. I'm solidly behind you.
As it stands right now, I think I should move ahead and begin plans for my traditional and white wedding at once. Yes. There is no time. Even when I woke up, what I gonna know? Very well then, I will see you at once.
Okabuchionye! Okabuchionye!
Money talks. Bullshit works. That is magic.
Obinna, what do you intend to do to this man?
Well, I can't think of anything now. Just wait till I get better.
Well, the truth of the whole thing is that there's nothing you can do to Ichiagaba. He's influential. He's richer than you. And you are just a poor boy trying to survive with your artwork. Obinna, remember, you went for her daughter first. I know how you and Nkem love each other. Now, see what it has cost you. Obinna, if you ask me, I will suggest you quit the relationship you have with Nkem and save your life. I am your friend and I want the best for you.
Is that all you have to say?
Sorry.
Get your hands off me!
Sorry. You know what? Let's go to a doctor or a chemist for a proper treatment, please. Eh? All I want is the best. I feel your pain too. Eh? Alright, let's go. Sorry.
Get your hands off me!
Sorry.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Time is an everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together.
If I see these boys,
Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say, and no matter how they fight us, I will keep on loving you. You are my one and only. Oh.
But come to think of it, Arab money. Why are you bent on marrying this girl that is not even ready to look your way? Man, you've got the money. There are so many beautiful girls out there that are just waiting for you to say hello.
You're not just my brother, but also a member. So, I will tell you the truth.
please, I beg you, help me talk to our God, Jumanji. Ask him for more time. I have been loyal. I've been a loyal servant to him. I need more time, at least to put together the sacrifice he needs.
Donatus,
Lord Jaganda,
Jumanju has shown you love and compassion. He has blessed you with wealth, even in your business. But you neglected your oath. You refused to do your yearly sacrifice to that oath. Now his wrath is upon you.
just how God Jumanji.
I am willing to pay for the delay, for everything, every mistake I've made, everything I have done wrong. I'm ready to pay for it. Please, just let him know.
Jumanji doesn't need your usual sacrifice. He doesn't need the blood of virgins as usual.
I am willing to bring even more virgins. Yes, 5, 10. Name.
He doesn't want your virgins anymore. Jaganta wants something greater. He wants your blood.
What?
He needs a child from your loins, from your legally married wife.
Lord Jaganta. How is that even possible? I do not have a wife. Neither do I have a child. How do we go about this?
You are the one to make it possible. Jumanji will give you time to get married. You must marry a woman you love so much. Nkem dream from your village. You shall marry. She will take you. On the day of her delivery, Jumanji will take the child and spare your wife because of the love you have for her. The choice is yours.
Tell Lord Jumanji that I am willing to do everything it takes. So you see why I have no other option. Because Lord Jaganda has declared her valid. Simply because she has been the only one my heart has yearned for over the years.
Arab money, I have a problem here. How do you intend to win her over to you, considering your short time frame?
Akutinyel nwata.
Tomia.
Obala nwa na yeze.
Mazi Tomia.
Nwalufu Aku 1. The only man that built civic center for our kingdom and asked us to go and enjoy. See, the Igwe in council will never forget your magnanimity.
You know, they say money speaks, bullshit works. All of that is magic.
You said you like my daughter.
Of course I do.
In fact, she is already yours. Take her. Do with her whatever that pleases you. Oh!
Mazi!
God. So this is the way you remember the poor, to uplift the poor. Hey! This is a great transformation. Thank you, Father.
I have a father in my palm. Money speaks. Bullshit works. And that is magic.
So magical. Well, I wish you good luck, brother.
this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we will stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say, and no matter how they fight us, I will keep on loving you. You are my one and only. Oh.
You've not eaten any of the meals I served you for the past 5 days. Why? Do you want to starve yourself to death? All because of that useless boy. Is he worth it? See, I am your father. I cannot mislead you. All I'm doing is trying to secure a future for you. And you cannot get that future from me now. Donatus is rich. He is buoyant. He is young. Above all, he will guarantee you financial security. Now you've not eaten your food. You've refused eating your food. You will get ulcer. Please, eat your food. Eat your food to avoid ulcer. Think about it. I'll see you tomorrow. Huh?
Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. No matter what they say, and no matter how they fight us.
Hey, this is beautiful. Leave that. This is beautiful. The chicken is well grilled. I love it. Nice chicken. Well grilled.
Ogo!
Mazi!
Ogo,
Mazi, trust me. This food was awesome. Believe me, if your daughter, my future wife, was to go for a competition, she will come out the best chef in the world.
I'm glad to hear that from you. Even her late mother, my wife, made me to confess the same.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Now I see where the gift is coming from. Huh? Mazi, thank you very much for everything. And to crown it all, my wife-to-be's wonderful delicacy. It was wonderful. What more can I ask for? Huh? I'll have to take my leave now, but I promise you tomorrow I have to come back to take my wife-to-be actually, for shopping. She needs a total change of wardrobe. She has to look elegant, you know? Because money talks and bullshit walks. All of it is magic.
Oh, what? Hey, I have Monday.
Yes. I have to leave now. My darling. Money talks, bullshit walks. All of them is what? Magic. My darling, please, If you don't mind, you could walk me down to the car. I have something special for you. Huh? Let's go. Come.